folks, welcome back to the channel. So today we're in Dublin, and Dublin is my hometown and it's also the capital of Ireland. So Dublin does have a rich history of culture, and so we're going to explore a few places in the city today. So grab your walking shoes and we'll head off and explore a few places together.
Well, he might actually by the end.
Okay folks, so this is our first stop today, which is Trinity College. And Trinity College was founded in 1592 by Queen Elizabeth IV, so it's the oldest university in Ireland, and it's also home to the famous Book of Kells. Now, we didn't visit the Book of Kells on this particular day; we just went in around the faculty buildings. And the tower that we see in front was actually a bell tower, and it's actually called the Campanile. It was donated by the Archbishop of Armagh, and it was actually completed in 1853. So it's one of Trinity College's most iconic landmarks. And again, here we can just see the sides of the bell tower, which is currently undergoing extensive restoration work. Okay, so next we're heading into the Temple Bar area, and Temple Bar is known for its vibrant nightlife and traditional Irish music. And this area is a must for anyone looking to experience Dublin's spiritual atmosphere. So whether you're enjoying a pint of Guinness or listening to a local band, Temple Bar never fails to disappoint. Now, the only thing about Temple Bar is it's a lot more expensive than other areas in the city because it's basically it's a tourist trap. But like as you can see here, like it's always a busy place, Temple Bar. There's always people coming and going. And as I was saying, there's plenty of bars, plenty of restaurants, and there's plenty to do. And there's nearly every night of the week in Temple Bar, there's always live music somewhere. So it is expensive, but it's still worth paying a visit to and exploring when you're in the city. Just coming into view there, folks, is the famous Temple Bar pub. You can kind of hear the music already coming out of the pub, and it's already decorated for Christmas, so it's looking quite festive and bright there. So it's looking really good, and another place that's definitely worth a visit while you're in the city. And just on our right here, folks, is actually this is Bloom's Hotel with the painted mural all over the building. This is another venue too that would have live music most nights of the week, so well worth a visit while you're in Dublin. Okay, so just a couple of minutes walk from Temple Bar, we have Dublin Castle, and the tower in front dates back to the 13th century. And Dublin Castle is now primarily used for when we have visiting heads of state to the country. They're normally brought to Dublin Castle. There's normally like a formal state banquet, etc. So that's what it's now primarily used for. But back during when Ireland was ruled by the British, this was their seat of power in Dublin. Oh, I want this way. And just as we come through the archway here, the state apartments are actually on the left-hand side of the courtyard as we enter in, and this is where normally heads of state would stay as guests of the Irish government.
Yeah. Okay, so after.
Okay, so we have in front of us here, this is Leo Bordak's chip shop, and it's the oldest chip shop in Dublin. It was founded in 1913, and some of the best chips you'll actually get in Dublin. And just in front of us here, folks, is Christ Church Cathedral. Now, this was originally founded in 1030 by a Norse king, but by 1170 it evolved into the church or the cathedral that we see today. So I'm going to do a future video on Christ Church itself. Okay, so this is St. Patrick's Park, and it's actually next to St. Patrick's Cathedral. And St. Patrick's Cathedral is the largest cathedral in Ireland, and its construction was undertaken between 1220 and 1260, and it's in a Gothic style. Now, I will do a future video on this and some of the other cathedrals in Dublin. And there we have a nice view again over the park and over towards the cathedral. And this is quite a nice place to sit with a cup of coffee, especially on a summer's day, and admire the architecture of the cathedral. Okay, so this is the Brazen Head, Dublin's oldest pub. So we did stop here for a drink, but unfortunately, folks, we were told that we couldn't film inside because it was extremely busy. So
Okay.
if you've been to Dublin, you're planning to come to Dublin, please leave a comment down below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.